Want a clean and distraction-free reading experience on websites? Here's how to turn on reader mode in Safari on your iPhone. Like and subscribe for more iPhone browsing tips. Open the Safari app and go to any article or web page that has a lot of text. Once the page loads, look at the top left corner of the address bar. If reader mode is available, you'll see the AA icon. Tap the AA icon, then tap Show Reader from the menu. Instantly, the page will transform into a simplified, clean version, no ads, pop-ups or clutter, just pure text and images. Want to customize it? While in reader mode, tap the A again to adjust text size, font and background color for easier reading. To exit reader mode, just tap the AA icon again and select Hide Reader. That's it, you've enabled reader mode for easier reading in Safari. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and Safari tricks.